Bringing out the big boy. Welcome back to Muddle. I'm Eric. This week, we are making a drink that if you don't golf, you've probably never heard of it. If you do golf, you probably love it. It's called the Transfusion. It actually makes, at least in my opinion, my golf game a little bit better. I think it calms the nerves. 1 in the morning, especially if you're a little hot, a little hungover, this thing will do you right, the Transfusion. I have no idea why it's called that. I looked it up on the internet today to see if anybody knows. Nobody knows. That's good enough for me. Who needs the history? Let's just get to a really, really good drink that has conquered grape juice. I don't like grape juice at all. This is the exception when you mix up a little vodka, ginger beer, and a little bit of lime juice. If you do this drink in anything other than a clear plastic cup, you're doing it wrong. How do we make it? Simple. Let's just get to it. Let's do 3 ounces of vodka. This is Costco vodka, which is, in my opinion, fantastic. There we go. About half that much in terms of the conquered grape juice. 1.5 ounces. We're halfway there, it's that easy. It's about, the juice is about half a lime. So what you can do here, if you don't want to do a juicer, just cut this up into a couple wedges, 2. This drink does not hit unless it's completely iced down, so fill it to the very top with ice. Ice to the top. That'll work. We got the proper ice. The last ingredient, guys, essential, ginger beer. You can do ginger ale if you want, but for me, there's never a time where I want ginger ale over ginger beer, which bites a little bit harder. So just top it off with that. Oh, baby. Yeah, it's too much ice though, too much ice. A little lime wedge. Put this guy right there for a little bit of color. Here it is, y'all. Transfusion, vodka, 3 ounces. Conquered grape juice, 1.5 ounces. Lime juice, half a lime. Fill the rest with the ginger beer, and here you go. If you golf, you love it. If you don't golf, try it out, especially on a hot day. Plastic cup only, daytime only. It's getting dark outside, so I better hurry up and drink this. See y'all.